Hi guys, so I wanted to come on here and give you guys some holiday outfit inspiration. I know a lot of people have a lot of going out to do, parties to attend, and I wanted to give you guys some outfit inspiration. And also, if you haven't realized, I've been doing 10 days of Christmas, uploading a video every day, but I've been doing it my way, mixing fashion, lifestyle, and commentary videos together to make it easier for me, and I've really been enjoying challenging myself. But let's get into these outfits. So this first one is for the casual girly that's not trying to do too much but show up well put together and cute and don't want to show any body yaddy. The top is from Zara, it's sold out. The pants is from mainedovir and my shoes are from Walmart. My bag is from Shein, and this is just a cute casual fit that I feel like anyone can wear. I feel like the shoes with the furry at the side definitely give this a little bit of touch of spice and something extra to look forward to. The shirt is a deconstructed button down, and I feel like it's different, it's unique, and you won't see anybody else in something like this. Also, if you're cold, you can definitely put a turtleneck underneath this top and you will be just as fine. These are going to be your base outfits. Please add your coats, your winter furry jackets, and all of that. I live in Florida. I don't own any of those, which is why I'm just showing you guys base for outfits. This one is for the girly that is in corporate America and she is trying to stay cute and festive, and she's not trying to show too much or do too much. The dress is from Shein, the bag is Brandon Blackwood, and my shoes are from Amazon. They are a kitten heel, and I feel like this is for the girl that wants to stay cute and comfy and is not trying to do too much, because she is here to have a good time and make sure HR doesn't call her the next day and tell her she's on board for getting a notification that she was inappropriate at work. So this is what this outfit is for. It's for the girls that want to go to the corporate party but don't want to show too much and want to be cute and comfortable. I feel like the midi dress is at a acceptable length, and as you guys know, I do not normally wear midi dresses because I always feel like they somehow are too short or they expose my butt. But this one is the perfect size and the perfect length. If I bend over, my butt is not going to be on show, and I feel like this is amazing. And I love my cute kitten heels. That means I could dance all night and still be comfortable and not worry about my feet hurting. And I feel like you can't go wrong with adding a bit of red because it's festive season and everybody love red during Christmas. And with that being said, the next outfit is coming up next. This outfit, the full thing, is a dupe for the cuckoo set, and I got this from Amazon. My shoes are from Pretty Little Thing. Those shoes have been sold out and I don't think they're restocking. The bag is also from Amazon, and I feel like this is like the perfect set for the girl that have her body snatched. She's been working out all summer and she feel like this winter she's about to show out and show all her progress. This is like a skin tight bodysuit, and I love the cut, I love the neckline. It shows a bit of clavicle, and I feel like that is the only thing that is really exposed. And I love this with my hair pulled back. I feel like it gives it a put together look. I love everything about this outfit. If I was going to a party, I would probably wear this. I love it. It's giving body yaddy yaddy. So if you don't want to show body yaddy yaddy, this one is not for you. And then this one is the next outfit. So I got this dress from Shein, and like I said, I always have issues with mini dresses. So I decided to put this Fashion Nova blinged out lace pants underneath it, and it's giving New Year's Eve vibes, and I love that. The pants definitely give it some shape, color, and fun. And I love that the fact the pants is wide leg and the sparkles are just sparkling. I have some silver shoes on, and I have the same silver bag from Amazon, and I feel like I really did this one justice. This has to be my favorite outfit of them all, and my big silver earrings just came together and made the outfit amazing. Okay, and if you have a short dress that is just too short, I would suggest get like a lace skirt, lace pants, something lacy, and put underneath it, because I feel like lace is in. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.